Okay, y'all, your girl is sweating already. It's hot in this kitchen, baby. I put the noodles in the pan in the oven so they can cook al dente. And I got this meat going on the stove. Ooh, it's gonna be saucy, baby. So I add the sauce to the meat, y'all. Sorry for the angles, but it's gonna come together once I start editing. It's gonna come together. Trust me, it's gonna come together. Okay. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Share. Cause what? Sharing is caring, right? What else I want to tell y'all? I want to tell y'all something else, but I cannot talk and I don't want to be off the camera talking to y'all. But I got some stuff to share with y'all, baby. Lion Gang. I got some stuff to share with y'all. Man. I think I'm going to write a book about my life. I'm going to do that. I'm going to write a book. Because, baby, life be lifing. Okay. So, for the most part, I do have the meat. I'm going to show y'all in a minute. I'm trying to mix it up. Put that on 450. I was going to say, y'all already know how I feel about being in the kitchen. But baby, your girl is back in the kitchen. It's only going to be for a short minute. Look, I got sauce already on my... What is this? That sauce? Y'all, we can't wear light clothes when you cook. Because it's just not going to... Like, I don't understand why they wear white. Because that white get dirty. But I do understand the cleaning process of when they do the white... You know, the washing of the white clothing for the chefs. I just don't like white. It's professional. It looks good. I just don't like... Hey, baby girl. You want to come say hi to Lion Gang?
Yes.
And don't be running your mouth. Just say hi. That's it.
Hi, Lion Gang.
Say we miss you and love you.
We miss you and love you too. We have
Happy Tuesday.
Happy Tuesday.
And what she's going to say? We're having what?
We having lasagna.
Lasagna.
It's delicious.
It's going to be so delicioso.
Yep.
You say delicious.
Delicioso.
She tried to say it, y'all. She tried to say, come back this way. You're too close to the camera.
Guys,
okay, there.
I hope y'all like our day. We'll show you what we gonna eat today.
What else? Tell her what you're going to tell the Lion Gang. What you going to tell them?
I'm gonna tell them we going be leaving all this day tomorrow.
No, we're not leaving, Mama. Not yet. We got to talk to people. So that's a surprise for y'all.
We got a surprise for y'all.
It's a surprise. We find out. We don't know yet.
Yeah. It's a surprise.
Okay, so for the most part, I added my seasonings. I just add the sauce. So what I'm about to do, add a little more seasonings to this sauce. Because I don't do no blandness, baby. No blandness.
Yeah. So let me tell you what I just had today. I had applesauce.
You gotta tell them what you had. You had a lot of stuff. So you gonna break down everything? You gonna tell them everything you had?
No.
Really? Oh yeah. So this is the sauce I'm using for the meat. It's a meat sauce, ragu, one of my favorites.
Ragu.
I like Prego too, but
Do you know?
wait, I'm talking.
Do you know this is
Bye-bye.
lasagna?
Okay, say bye to everybody.
No.
They already know that. I showed it to them already. I think I showed it to them. I think I did. Let's show them again.
This one is lasagna.
This is the lasagna shells we're using. Kroger brand, baby.
Yeah.
Kroger brand is in the house, okay?
Yeah. Because we live with Kroger brand.
We love the Kroger brand. Some things, okay? I don't buy everything.
The Kroger brand lives with us, right?
No, it's at the store. What you say? It lives with us.
It lives at Kroger.
It lives at Kroger.
Yeah. It lives at any store we go to.
Nope, that's not true. Kroger store only have Kroger brand.
Kroger store.
What we used to is Smith's. Smith's used to have.
Yeah, you know,
Kroger
in
stuff.
Atlanta, of y'all in the same world, you go to that store.
The same. You said world?
Yeah.
Not world.
The same estate, I mean.
There you go.
The
That's
same
good
estate.
job.
Of
Yes,
you,
the same state.
If you in the same state
Or
then-
city.
or city, you get to go to Kroger to grab Kroger
Because
brand.
Kroger is not all over the world, Mama. It's
No.
not all over the world.
No, there's only 2 Krogers.
No, it's not. It's more than 2. All right, y'all. So I got this meat sauce going. I probably should show y'all. Let me show y'all what I'm doing with. I'm doing here. Here's the meat sauce.
Is it
And-
delicious wine game?
We'll show them the shells in a minute because that's too hot. I'm not getting burned.
Me either. I have to stay
Okay,
away
shh,
from the
shh.
stove.
Lying gang, no. I have everything in order when I'm cooking. I don't be all over the place.
Yeah.
But this is my
It's
first time doing
more
lasagna on
than-
camera, you guys. So
Yeah.
this is a good thing. First time
Yeah.
doing
If y'all see
Lasagna.
more Krogers than one, that means you go there.
Ooh.
That means you go there to more Krogers. What's wrong, Mom? It's
I think I'm gonna make it. I'll probably should put some sausage in here.
sausage. Is that delicious?
Yes, I probably should put some sausage.
Can I try some?
Mm-hmm.
Can I try one?
We're gonna let that simmer. I'm gonna put that on low and let it simmer. Mm-hmm. It tastes good. Let me let it go ahead and simmer. Come on, it's not gonna be enough. But what about? I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Oh, y'all, I forgot. I should have left that for the bottom of the pan. I'm gonna have to open up another one. I didn't want to do that, y'all. I didn't want to open this other pan, my other bottle.
Mommy, it tastes delicious.
Well, I could do. Oh,
Mom, you're like
the girl is smart. She can just put it to the bottom of the pan. Because it only needs this that first little bit of sauce on the bottom of the pan, right, you guys? Leave in the comments down below how y'all make y'all lasagna. If y'all put a little twist to it, if y'all add some things to it.
Comment down below lasagna if you like this.
It's la, not buh. Say la lasagna.
Love
Z.
lasagna.
Good job.
Lasagna at the same Kroger y'all
Oh,
have.
let me tell y'all. So this is the lemon water. Okay. Hold on. Let me tell y'all, hold on. Shake it all around. Bring it up some. They can see you. He's helping me. Helping me season it. Keep on going. Okay. Getting too close again. So we just added some onion powder. We're going to add lemon pepper. Shake. Up high. Is it coming out? Yeah, a little bit. Shake it harder. Shake. Let me see. Let it go. Can you do that? Okay, try with the next one. All right, y'all, he's seasoning. I like to taste my seasoning, my ground beef. There we go. Okay, which one is that? That's the garlic, so we can do a lot, yeah. Yeah, I like to taste mine, y'all. Y'all already know. I don't play in the kitchen, baby. Okay, we're going to add some of this Italian seasoning to the ground beef. Like that much? Open. There we go. Yes, much. This is the Italian seasoning, the main ingredient, because you want to taste Italian. Let me see. Shake it.
How are you coming out?
Let me see. Don't shake it hard. Do a little shake. Go around. Hold. Okay. I said the whole thing. You stopped in one spot.
All right.
It's okay, y'all. He's learning. Let me watch that. We're not gonna put that on there.
Salt.
And let me see. We added that. We added that. Okay, we do seasoning salt. Go ahead. All around. Not in one spot. Okay. Good job. We got the seasoning. We're gonna do the sazon. I'm gonna do a whole packet. Sazon. Don't put it in one spot. All around, all around, all around, all around. Over here. Happy Tuesday. Normally it's Taco Tuesday, but we're gonna do some lasagna. Wait, let me stir this up first. Hold on. You in the camera and looking right at. Okay, back up. Hear it, back up. Come this way. Hold on, y'all. That's one thing I do. Y'all know I don't like electric stoves. I do not like electric stoves.
Right now?
Wait. But I work with them. I prefer a gas stove. You can control your temperature. I think this is enough. We don't add no more. It's enough. No, fold it up. You add some water to this. You add some water to this ground beef, y'all. Go on that side. Go ahead. Okay. Nice. That's to get that flavor going through there. Okay. Oh yeah. So for my water, I got water boiling for the pasta. I added some oil. Any type of oil you can add to your pasta, just where they won't stick to each other. I'm playing in my head how I want to layer it because we're working with what we have right now. Okay, so dang it, I'm gonna have to bring y'all up so I can talk to y'all. Hold on. How did I set this up last time? I think I used. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Pause for a second. Because I got to talk more than this. All right, you guys. So we're about to start with. This is hot. So that's why I said I'm gonna do this side. You lift.
I'm scared, Mom.
Mama, don't get so close. We gotta move them out the pan.
I'm scared that they will burn his
So I
finger.
guess this is called. I don't know if it's an old school way, you guys. I don't know. Someone else was helping. This is hot. So let me lift and you just hold the side or don't.
We got this from Kroger.
The other spatulas got sauce here.
Some of them are soft. Not all of them are.
But it's hot, so please don't burn yourself. We gotta transfer it over. All right, you guys. So we gotta do this real quick. We gotta transfer them out. We just put them in the oven. Dang it, dog. We just put them in the oven. Hold on, you guys. Hold on a second.